5:47 in our morning business report, the U.S. economy ended up shrinking in the first quarter of 2025.
And some homeowners are adjusting their asking price as they struggle to find a buyer.
Well, your reporter, Jane King, joins us now live at the New York Stock Exchange with these stories and much more. Good morning, Jane.
Hi, good morning. Yes, the U.S. economy actually contracted in the first quarter. We had negative growth. Now, the Bureau of Economic Analysis says companies scrambled to get goods ahead of tariffs. That led to a record import-export imbalance. And then also the cuts at government programs and with jobs due to DOGE added to the slowdown as well. Well, frustrated sellers are cutting house prices by tens of thousands of dollars as buyers grow more selective. The typical home seller is asking for 9% more than what the home eventually sells for, according to Redfin. And sellers are increasingly handing out concessions because the housing market is tilting in favor of buyers. Home buyer demand is sluggish due to high home prices, still high interest rates, and economic uncertainty. Well, National College Decision Day is today, so this is the day you got to decide where you're going to college for the most part, if you haven't already. Many families have spent the last several months finding a school that's a good fit but also won't break the bank. Financial experts say that families should consider the net cost of attending, so the total cost, tuition, room and board, travel back and forth. Others suggest coming up with a plan to pay for all 4 years of college in the first year, and it is never too late to fund a 529 college savings plan, which comes with added tax benefits and increased flexibility. Well, April was a wild month for stocks. The Dow and S&P finished with slight losses, so they clawed back almost all of those big losses that we saw in that first week. The Nasdaq was actually slightly positive for the month, and today we're looking at a higher start. Live from the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Jane King. Back to you.
All right, thanks, Jane.